So on today's adventure, I am going to be working on the Civic. I am going to be removing these cheap coilovers that came with the car, and gonna be installing these S3 coilovers. But I couldn't install them because of one issue, and I'm gonna show you guys in a bit of why. So apparently yesterday when I tried to install my S3 coilover, which is not these are the stock ones that came with it, you know, perfect fitment here and oversized here. So apparently the EX, which is the ones that I have, the S3 fits, apparently the EX and the rest of the lower trim models are not the same. As you can see, the hole on the EX forks is a bit bigger. So that's why my coilovers didn't want to fit, because the S3s have a big hole for like the EX version or the SI models, not for the lower trims. So recommend that if you planning on doing like some good quality coilovers, find out if that's gonna fit your model. But yeah, even different part numbers too. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get these S3 coilovers. I'm installing the S3 coilovers. Got these two nuts already screwed on. Put the 14 nut back here nice and tight. Put the 17 millimeter bolt on. And now we're pretty much done now to put the wheel back on. Same thing on this side. Just remove these two 14s here. Remove this 14 here, the 17 nut, and the bolt. Take that off, and this whole coilover should come out. And then replace it with the S3s and the EX knuckles, and we should be done in hopefully 15 minutes. So let's get this going. Less than 15 minutes later, S3 coilovers are in and everything's nice and bolted. Now to put the wheel back on, I will be changing this whole arm. I will be putting some adjustable camber upper control arms, and be switching this whole brake caliper to a caliper and rotor to a EX model. So that'll be soon. I also installed the rears, the S3 rears, and I installed some lower control arms. Got rid of these, and these coilovers, don't even know what they are. I really have to take a look at it to see what brand they are. Not sure. I don't know what's that. But yeah, ow. Adjusted, not adjusted, but I took those off. I'm gonna have a spare K24 soon. And here are the rears. Let's see if we can see them. Those are the S3 coilovers with ASR rear lower control arms. So I got those, and then pretty soon I'm gonna be installing a sway bar too. So that'll be some other time. But as of now, that should be it for today. Some other time for some other video. But yeah.